Hello, good morning students. I'm Shanu Shanatigalu. Welcome back to online learning class of Shri Basava Public School. Dear students, in the last session, we have read the poem Rain in Summer and learned meaning of new words. And also, I have given homework. I hope you have done properly in your English notebook. So today in this session, we are going to learn about explanation of the poem, theme of the poem and discussion of question answer. Before we start the explanation, I would like to ask a few questions. Tell me students, do you like the rain? And when it's raining, how do you feel? And one more question, do you want to say to rain, don't come? No way, you can't say because everybody likes the rain. You too like the rain and I too. You can see the picture here. When it's raining, we welcome the rain with open arms. And enjoy it. So the poet observed the rain, then he has expressed his feelings and his experience. So here you can see our poem Rain in Summer. The poet begins the poem by showing his happiness and excitement. Here you can see the first line, how beautiful is the rain. You can see here exclamatory mark. So poet is very excited when he was observed the rain. So he said, how beautiful is the rain. In the third line, broad and fiery are adjectives. These words are adjectives describe the street. Broad means large width. Fiery means full of fire. And fourth line, narrow. Narrow is an adjective describe the lane. Narrow means small. Lane means roadway. So small roadway or small street. In the second stanza, roof. Roof means top of a building. You can see the picture, top of building. So the third stanza, swift. Swift and wide with a muddy tide. So here swift means quick and muddy means full of mud or wet soil. So let's start our explanation of poem. So in the first stanza, you can see the pictures. The rain was welcomed because the land was dry. It became dust and the weather was too hot. The rain is welcomed by the human beings and the nature as well. The poet says that the rain is beautiful because it comes in the hot summer after the summer season and wash off all the dust in the air and cools the heat in the broad and fiery street and in the narrow lane. So this is the first stanza's meaning and next move on to the next stanza. The poet compares the rain with different things such as the sound of rain on the roof. You can see the picture of roof. Roof means top of a building or house. So it's the sound look like tramp of hoof. It means the sound of heavy steps of horse. It makes the sound heavy steps of horse. Tick tock, tock tock, like that. And spot means pipe, tube. It compares as our throat. Poet compares it as our throat in which the rainwater is struggling to come out with a plentiful stream. So in this way the poet shared his experience. Now let's see in the third stanza, the poet describes how it looks when rain falls on the window pane. You can see the picture. The rain water pours. Pours means rainwater spills very quickly and widely. When it falls down on the roads or gutters with muddy tide, it looks like a river. Poet compares it to river. How river is flowing quickly and how it roars. It means makes sound. So the poet welcomed the rain with open arms, joyfully or happily, by saying, the rain, the welcome rain. So this is the explanation of the poem. I hope you have understood. Dear students, I hope now the meaning of the poem is clear to you all. Now tell me, what is the theme of the poem? You have got to know that by this explanation. So you can see the picture. Here I have written, read it. Theme of the poem is beauty of nature. The poet is trying to say that there is nothing more beautiful than nature in the world. There is nothing more beautiful than nature in the world. Is it clear, students? So, now it's time to discuss question answer. So, let's answer. First one, why does the poet find the rain so beautiful? So, your answer, the poet finds the rain so beautiful as it has come after the dust and heat. The poet loves the sound of the rain and also wonders how the rain changes the surroundings completely. Your second question, the poet has used 3 sound words in the poem. Write them. Your answer, clatters, tramp and roars. So is it clear, students? So this is your today's homework. So first one question, what words does the poet use to describe given words, given nouns? So first one, noun, rain. The poet has used word describing words. It means adjectives. In the poem, poet has used in the poem describing words. That which those are, you can find it. Rain, first one word, noun, rain. And second one, street. And third one, lane. Fourth one, spot. I know you will do this because I have discussed these in the poem. And second one, fill in the blanks with words from the poem. First one, the rain is beautiful after the dash. What is the answer here to fill up? The rain is beautiful after the dust and heat. And second one, the rain clatters like the tramp of hoofs. Tramp of hoofs. And third one, the rain gushes out from the throat of the overflowing spot. So, I hope you will do this with pleasure properly. So, we will back with a new lesson. Before that, students, you have to write question answer and today's homework in your English notebook, and also some new words I have given in this video. Those also you have to add in your English notebook. So you have any queries or any doubts, you can call or text me.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Thank you for watching the video.